Good morning, students of 8th class. Now I am going to tell you something about the Adivasis and their development. As we have already read in the history, मतलब हमने already history में ही पढ़ रखा है. These peoples they are very close to nature, okay, and they are having their own they are having their own culture and tradition. They were having their own language, and these peoples, they were forests used to be absolutely crucial to development of all the empires and settled civilizations in India. Now, as we know, these Britishers were there in our country, India. So we have to do the little bit development, and in the development, these peoples, we have to make them, these peoples developed, because they are very close to nature and they used to be there in the jungle. Say doesn't want to adopt a modern culture, modern the modern life, we can say. But at present, if we see, the terms and the conditions are quite changed. They are changing themselves, okay. Adivasis lived in a forest and they had a deep knowledge about forest. Adivasis were बेसिकली हंटर्स और गैदरर. मतलब ये आदिवासी जो होते हैं कि एक ही लाइन में बार बार इसलिए बोल रही हूँ बिकॉज दे आर वेरी क्लोज टू नेचर एंड दे नो ईच एंड एवरीथिंग अबाउट दिस पर्टिकुलर नेचर और फॉरेस्ट सब के बारे में जो है इनको बहुत ज़्यादा जानकारी रहती है. मतलब ये पूरे नेचर को बहुत अच्छे से जानते हैं. जैसे दे यूज टू टेक केयर ऑफ ट्रीज, प्लांट्स एंड sun, because they used to do the worship of all these things. They used to do the worship of a land, so they were very close to nature, okay. And they were the peoples who used to do the hunting, or we can say food gatherers, okay. And इसमें जो है they lived by the shifting agriculture. Some Adivasis also called cultivated in one place. अब जैसे इन लोगों ने जो है शिफ्टिंग कल्टिवेशंस भी स्टार्ट कर दी थी. दे हैव स्टार्टेड डूइंग दी शिफ्टिंग कल्टिवेशन. एनिमल लेयरिंग है. अब इन्होंने जैसे मेडिकल हर्ब्स होती हैं, मेडिसिन्स होती हैं इन द नेचर, जैसे तुलसी, एलोवेरा. दे आर द मेडिसिन्स विच आर देयर. दे वर हैविंग ऑल टाइप ऑफ नॉलेज रिलेटेड टू दिस पर्टिकुलर things, and they used to train the animals also, ठीक है. ये अपनी आर्मी बनाते हैं. they were having the knowledge about the जैसे डायमंड्स, कोल एंड हनी के बारे में भी बहुत सारी नॉलेज होती है. and they were there instead often heavily depended on the Adivasis for the crucial access or to the forest resources. This is radically contrary, ठीक है, radically contrary to our images of Adivasis today as somewhat marginal and powerless communities in the pre-colonial world. They were traditionally ragged hunters, gatherers, और they used to do the shifting cultivation. Shifting cultivation का मतलब आपको पता ही होगा, means they used to do agriculture at a one place, and after some time they used to move from that particular place. Now I want to tell you something about the changing scenario in the forest land, ठीक है. changing scenario in the forest land का मतलब है metal ores like ore, copper, gold, silver, coal, diamond were mined from the forest land. Valuable timber were taken from the forest land. Most of the medical things like you must be aware, जैसे बाबा रामदेव हैं, वो बहुत सारी नेचर्स में से लेकर के चीज़ों को मेडिसिन्स तैयार कर रहे हैं. Animals like elephants which were essential for the imperial armies came from the forest. मतलब ये सारी चीज़ें जो हैं वो हमने फॉरेस्ट से ली हैं. मतलब which we are having like plants and animals. The continuation of life depended heavily on forests, as they help recharge many of the India's rivers and are crucial to the availability and equality of our air and water. मतलब क्योंकि ये नेचर को बहुत प्यार करते हैं, तो इन्होंने जो है जितना भी अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर है, या फिर हम कह सकते हैं फॉरेस्ट है, लैंड है, उन सबको इन्होंने सेव करके रखा हुआ है, बिकॉज दे वर देयर इन द नेचर, ओके. Then forest covered major part of our country 19th century, as the control over most of the forest tracts till the middle of the 19th century. Empires depended heavily on the Adivasis, और बड़े बड़े empire, क्योंकि they used to bring honey, they used to bring different type of metals, pearls, stones for the emperors. Okay, however in the past 200 years, इधर देख सकते हो, however past in the 200 years, आप देखो 200 years, Adivasis have been increasingly forced through the economic changes, forest policies and political forces by the state of a private industry to image to cities. In the cities, they have the compulsion to work at the construction site, factories, and as a domestic worker, they do not have to control much direct access to the forest territories. Forests are lands and once belonged to the Adivasis have been cleared for the different purposes such as agriculture and industry. मतलब इन सारी चीज़ों में जो है डेवलपमेंट इनका जो है वो बढ़ता जा रहा है. द रीजन इनहेबिटेड बाय द आदिवासीज आर रिच इन मिनरल. ठीक है, मैंने पहले ही बता दिया आपको. And there they were having the large industrial project. Most of the time the land is taken away from forcefully. कभी कभी ऐसा हुआ, जैसे मैंने स्टोरी में ही आपको बताया था कि उसके जो दादू थे उनकी जो लैंड जो थी वो फोर्सफुली, या फिर और लोगों की लैंड जो थी उसको फोर्सफुली ले लिया गया था. टुडे आदिवासीज आर दी मार्जिनलाइज्ड कम्युनिटी. और आज जो है आदिवासीज क्या हैं, वो मार्जिनलाइज्ड कम्युनिटी के रूप में वर्क कर रहे हैं. ओके, दे वर हैविंग देयर मार्जिनलाइज्ड कम्युनिटी. ओके, नाउ आई विल कंटिन्यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. थैंक यू.